So since there aren't any challenges going on right now, I thought it'd be really cool to be the first person to come up with a challenge for all of you to partake in. So Michael and I have come up with the Holmes Hammer Challenge.
Yep. And you've done this before, probably at bachelor parties or just with a group of people, where you hammer the nail and try and do it in as few hits as possible. We're gonna tag a bunch of people, we're gonna challenge them, and you do the same.
Okay, so all you need is a hammer, a nice long nail. How many inches do you suggest?
3 1/4 inch spiral nail.
Okay, or whatever you have.
Yeah.
And a really nice hard piece of wood, or 3, like my husband has chosen for us.
We don't want to make it too easy. Plus, we can't forget safety.
Oh yeah. And make sure you have your safety goggles on.
I feel like, it's probably ladies first.
Sure, I've never done this before though.
Here we go.
Okay, ready? Okay, what? You have to move.
Yeah, I'll move.
Okay, ready?
Okay, here we go.
Wait, should I grip that?
No, okay, so the idea, you want to grip down so you have more leverage, more momentum.
Okay. All right.
But
This distraction. Interference. What were you gonna say? Tip?
don't kill it,
Don't kill it.
but also don't go too light.
Where did you put your left hand?
Wherever you
Put on
want.
your hip.
1,
That's 1.
2, 3. Oh gosh. 4. Oh gosh. 5.
You just wanted to hit it back up.
Yeah. 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay, now 5.
Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
15.
15! Not bad, not bad. Okay, let me give it a try. Okay, come on. Don't fail me now.
1, 2, 3. Woohoo! I feel like I need a retry because I went first and I've never done that before.
You can have a retry.
All
We can do
right.
retries.
All right, okay, so that's the challenge. You need your nail, your hammer, big piece of wood, pine or cedar, according to my husband.
Spruce, pine, fir.
I was 15, Michael was 3, so I have some work to do. I think I may re-challenge him. And anyways, tag your friends with the hashtag.
Holmes Hammer Challenge. Make sure you
And-
use that hashtag
Yeah.
and
I
let's
want
see
to
what
see
you got.
what you guys are doing and if you guys can do better than me, 15.
And 3. Let's see it.